Welcome my Freckles friends, this is Jamie, and in today's video I'm going to be reacting to the Sound music video by Stray Kids. It is 10 a.m., the time exactly that this music video is premiering. I didn't realize. I was just filming another video and I saw it on my homepage and I was like, ooh, I'm actually going to catch it like right when it premieres and I'm not going to be super behind. So we're going to watch it and we're going to love it. I honestly don't fully remember what this song sounded like, so I have already reacted to the actual song. I did a lyrics video, and I reacted to one of the teasers. I think it was teaser 2 for the music video. I will link that up in the cards above if you want to go check that out, and if you want to see my first reaction, my first time reaction to the actual song. I'm excited though, because this is a bit of a first reaction again, because I don't fully remember what the song sounded like. But I'm excited about this music video, so let's do it. Let's get into it. Oh, it's premiering now. I've caught it. Oh, cool. There's only 30 seconds. Yay! This is rare because a lot of music from K-pop premieres like at midnight, and so I probably won't always film that like right as it premieres. But ooh, yay!
The crowd's gonna follow us to do get pitch하게 but to kill bang bang gotta shut it out now. Oh, nothing better. Yeah, nothing matters. 야미 못해라시 다스하지 말이 no spotlight. This is the sound, it's the sound. 노래로 힘을 간세니 아웃을 태우고 기다린다. This is the sound, it's the sound. 세계의 모든 날개로 포크라 놓고 any hours and move it up. 모자란 모둠을 나는 night fire 마크가 우리 태몽하고 새 나의 간조 길이 나의呼吸 Let my breath out 이기웃을 때 once more 하기 dasloe 톡톡한 미치가 빠지카 아타라시 가득해 착하고 다시 out delivery 아쉬운데 후를 쏟아 오모이 코멘의 cheers 스탠이 목힘에 단단 나니 목함은 pierce 이마 gotta fly out right now. Oh, nothing better. Yeah, nothing matters. 야미 못해라시 다스하지 말이 no spell. This is the sound, it's the sound. 노래로 힘을 간세니 아웃을 태우고 기다린다. This is the sound, it's the sound. 세계의 모든 날개로 포크라 놓고 any hours and move it up. 붓고 터치는 rhapsody 딱 하나로 this melody I get to equal volume up max it up 배트가 히도트니 나 때히로 가른다. Take it to this time I got take it to our sound get down to destination this is our music drive. 뭐야 gotta stand you got 뭐야 gotta like the job 착한 나라 beat and beat teach you show a music drive. This is the sound, it's the sound. 노래로 힘을 간세니 아웃을 태우고 기다린다. This is the sound, it's the sound. 세계의 모든 날개로 포크라 놓고 any hours and move it up. What I do, what I do.
That was so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. That was so good. I completely forgot how much I liked that song. Because I forgot what it sounded like, but I remember really liking the song, comparing it to All the Things She Said by Tattoo. I love this song, and the music video just made me love it even more. Visually beautiful. Like I don't know about a storyline, anything connecting or whatnot, but like each new location, each new scene, it was like more beautiful and more beautiful. I loved the like wind blowing through their hair at times. I loved the like cosmic energy. I loved it. This whole thing. I really enjoyed it. We're gonna watch it again. I love that. It's like a clack. It's fresh too. I love that sparkly suit. Like all the effects were really cool too. I feel like when you have this kind of, I feel like when you have these kind of effects, it can very much turn corny, but they were used perfectly in this. Was that like the choreography for Thunderous? Maybe it relates to whatever they're saying, but because I don't have subtitles, I don't know. But yeah, that looked like the choreography for Thunderous. I'm sorry, but that is his look. That is the perfect hairstyle on IN. The style, the cut, the style, the color. I love this part. I love the choreography. It's so high energy. I think that might be a new favorite. The video just made it like even better in my eyes. Oh, has it started raining? Yay. I absolutely love that. I would love to know y'all's thoughts on this song. I'm very interested to see if they upload a dance practice for this. I would love to see the dance and the choreography a little more up close and a little more connected without so many cuts and ins and outs and all that stuff. I really hope that they do a dance practice for this one. But I guess that is it for today's video. I really enjoyed that one. So yeah, as I said before, let me know what y'all thought in the comments down below. Subscribe, like, turn your notifications on, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.